Hi there, today I'm unboxing and demonstrating the TTfone TT660. Let's get it open and take a look. So in the packaging I've got an optional charging dock and mains charger, an optional SIM card and the phone itself. So inside the packaging here we've got the phone itself, and it does come with a USB-C cable. So helpful to have a phone that actually comes with one of these. We have the phone itself, which looks really nice. I've got a removable, replaceable battery, warranty information, a quick start guide and manuals. So helpful to have these on actual paper so that you can get started straight away without having to go trawl through a website to find the information you need. Really great to have paper manuals. So the TTfone TT660, let's get the battery in and fire it up. So simple as that, the phone is on and we can get the menu up by pushing OK and scrolling around the different things that are on here. Really easy phone to use. It's also got a brilliant feature on it with a memory 1, 2 and 3 button, which can be programmed to quick dial friends or family members at the touch of a button. Being a flip phone, to close the phone we just close the lid. No need to push any buttons to lock your phone, and the same for unlocking. We're straight in. The rear of the phone also has an SOS button, which can be programmed to call the emergency services for you and to text up to 5 family members or friends to let them know that you might need some help. The phone can be ordered with a charging dock, where you just simply put the phone in and it will begin charging. And the phone will fit in the dock and charge even when it's closed. The phone's dock and mains charger are optional. If you want, you can save a little money and have the phone just come with its USB-C cable. The phone will work with most major networks except for Free and Smarty. If you want, the phone can come with a SIM card, which can even come with top-up ready so that you can start making calls straight away. To find out more about the TTfone TT660 or to get yours, visit the website www.ttfone.com, the link for which is in the description below.